Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your Caspa boot wallet and how to mint on Caspa boot wallet. Let's get started. All the links you'll be needing for everything I've covered in this video will be right below the description, so feel free to use them. The first thing you need to do is to click on the Caspa boot wallet. I'll be leaving the link below the description. And once you click on it, it will ask you to start. Then click on start. When you click on start, you will see this welcome message. Then you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 Caspa boots. To me, I would prefer you go for the boot with few users. Like here, the lowest users we have here. Where we have the lowest user here is boot 6. Boot 6 will have 12 users. So I will click on boot 6. You can use any of them. You can decide to use boot 1, boot 2, boot 3, boot 4, any of them. You can use any of them, but this is how I prefer to do my own. So when you click on the boot 6, it will take you to create account. It will take you to create a boot account on boot 6. Then you click on start again. It will bring out this welcome message for you. You will see generate wallet, you will see import wallet. I will suggest you go for generate wallet. So let's touch generate wallet. Then it's going to bring out your wallet private keys. The first thing to generate for you is your wallet address. This one you see here is your generated address, Caspa. That's your Caspa wallet. Then the one under it is the private key. I'm showing this private key. Remember, nobody is supposed to see your private key. I'm showing this private key because of this class. I'm not going to use this wallet, so that's why you are seeing my own. So for the purpose of this video, that's why you are seeing this private key, because this wallet will not be useful for me. Then we've created our wallet, so you just have to go and save this private key. Then see, these are the keys that we use. If you want to check your balance on your Caspa boot account, you click touch balance. If you want to mint, you touch mint. So that's how it is. So now let's check our balance. Once I touch balance, now it will appear. You can see that my balance is 0 cash. So I won't be able to use it to mint. You can see my account is 0 cash. So you need to fund your wallet address with cash. You can withdraw from Bybit or any of the exchanges where Caspa is trading. But from here, I'm not going to be continuing with this particular wallet because I need to do some minting. So I will go back to my main boot account and teach you how to mint over there. So stick around. Okay guys, this is my main account on Caspa boot. And if you check my balance, you will see I have 117 cash. Like I said before, if you want to deposit cash into your wallet, you have to go to the exchanges where Caspa is trading and withdraw with your Caspa wallet, your Telegram boot Caspa wallet. Now, let me click on balance. You will see I have 177 Caspa. If I want to make my first mint, I will be touching the menu option, this. Then once I touch my menu, I will see balance, I will see mint, I will see deploy. You also see royalties. So click on mint. The ticker will ask you which KRC 20 token do you want to mint. If you want to see tokens minting on Kaspa chain, you'll be needing this link. Remember, I'll be leaving it below the description. Now let's open the link. So you see now the link is opening. Now you can see the progress of the ones. You don't mint the ones that are already on 100%. The one showing 100% are already minted out. Let's check for the ones currently minting. Okay, you can see Casto. You can see Casto. Casto is on 46%. So I think we should be minting that. But anyone you want to mint, please make sure you do your own research. Don't just come and mint and burn your money. So now let's go back to our bot account. Okay, now we are back to the bot page. If you want to make your first mint, you touch the menu option. Once you touch the menu option, look on the second line, you will see mint. You touch the mint. Once you click on mint, it will ask you the token you want to mint. Remember, we said we want to mint Castor. So you just type Castor. It will ask you, every mint gives you 7,000 Castor. How many times would you like to mint? Me, the least amount you can use to mint is 20 Caspa. So, but I'll be using 50 for the purpose of this video. I'll be using 50. Feel free to use any amount you want. You can decide to use 20. You can decide to use 50. You can decide to use 500. As long as you've done your own research on that project, you are good to go. Um, The next thing you will see is the fee. They have the low, the medium, and the high. For me, I prefer using the medium. So you will type medium. Then it will ask you this confirmation. Just click on confirm. Then the meeting I've already started is in progress. So for this, for the 50 Caspa, you should be giving me 350 Casto. I be Casto. Forgive my grammar. So that is it. Let's wait while our token gets minted out. Do you know airdrop is coming for Caspa boot users? So all their active users and fees accumulated will be rewarded. The Caspa token is also fully minted and is not trading at the moment. The team is holding the token, so there will be no way for other developers to create the token name. So that's just it. We can see here, the Caspa airdrop will indeed reward our early adopters in every way. So stay tuned, brother. So guys, take advantage of this if you have funds, and know that it's not a financial advice. Let's go back to see if our mint is complete. Yeah, correct. My mint is complete. The mint is complete now. You can see minting complete 50 over 50. And I have minted 350 over 350 Castor. So that is it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and guides. Stay tuned and I will see you in my next video.